One of the best way to learn math is to teach your friends, because by doing so, you'll be required to first organize your thoughts. You'll be required to thread the ideas and weave the concepts together before you can vocalize them clearly back to your friends. In fact, this is exactly the kind of skill set we need in order for us to systematically apply those math formulas and theories in order for us to score well in exams. Furthermore, your friends will be asking you questions, and when they ask you questions, they may reveal to you perspectives that has always been in your blind spot, or they may show you gaps in your understanding that you have never even realized that they are there. So share generously with your friends, because all of you are going to benefit.